Number 1.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, well-maintained and highly original pickup, showing 118,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine that runs strong, with no signs of leaks or smoke. The truck features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Its 4x4 system is fully functional, and the air conditioning blows cold, ensuring comfort and capability in various driving conditions. This vehicle retains its original paint, interior, and engine, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It holds a clean title and is reported to have zero rust, with a solid body and frame. The interior remains in excellent condition, free from rips, cuts, or stains, while the tires and brakes are in good shape. Regular maintenance has been a priority, with oil changes performed every 1,500 miles, contributing to its overall reliability and performance.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a 5.7L 350 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior complemented by a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This truck comes equipped with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience to its classic appeal. The interior is in excellent condition, with a near-perfect finish and no cracks on the dashboard. Several important updates have been completed, including extensive front-end work performed a few years ago and the installation of a new AC compressor last year. The tires are also in great condition, with less than 4,000 miles of use. It does have a few cosmetic imperfections, including minor rust spots over the rear wheel arches and a dent located behind the passenger side door.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,800, presented in a classic green exterior paired with a clean gray interior and has covered approximately 112,000 miles. It is powered by a reliable 2.2L engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and runs on gasoline, offering a straightforward and dependable driving experience. This vehicle has recently undergone a thorough mechanical overhaul to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Key components such as hoses, filters, spark plugs and wires, belt, fuel pump, battery, tires, wipers, and all essential fluids have been replaced, making it ready for daily use or long drives. The truck starts, runs, and drives well following these updates. Cosmetically, the exterior shows minor scratches consistent with normal wear for its age, while still maintaining an overall solid appearance. The interior, on the other hand, is in like-new condition, showing minimal signs of wear and reflecting careful ownership.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F350, price $8,000, with 172,000 miles, powered by a gasoline 460 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior with a gray interior, along with a recently rebuilt cold AC and fully functional heating system. The truck has proven its reliability on long drives, including a trip to Havasu for the Ford Southwest Nationals car show. It comes equipped with working dual fuel tanks, worn hubs for the 4x4 system, an Alpine Bluetooth radio, LED lighting, and tires and wheels replaced about 2 years ago. It holds a clean title and was previously owned by the Wilcox School District. Minor issues include a check engine light related to the EGR system and an ABS light that briefly appears when driving before turning off. Overall, it remains a dependable and well-equipped heavy-duty truck.
Number 5.
1997 Ford F250, price $8,900, well-maintained work truck equipped with a reliable 7.3L diesel engine. It has accumulated 270,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, making it a dependable choice for both daily tasks and heavy-duty use. The truck comes in a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. This vehicle has been enhanced with several performance upgrades, including an edge tuner and programmer, along with various other engine improvements that contribute to its overall power and efficiency. It is also fitted with airbags and a built-in pump system, adding extra support for hauling and towing needs. Overall, this F250 stands out as a capable and nicely preserved older work truck, ready to handle demanding jobs.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, reliable and work-ready pickup truck that has traveled approximately 220,000 miles. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, with a green exterior paired with a gray interior. The vehicle is equipped with a fully functional 4x4 system that performs very well, making it suitable for various types of terrain and work needs. The truck starts with a key and has recently received several updates, including a new battery, fresh oil, and newly replaced spark plugs, ensuring it is ready for immediate use. It has been well prepared for daily tasks, and potential buyers are welcome to test drive it without any issues. Interested parties are encouraged to make contact for further details.
Number 7. 1996 GMC Sonoma, price $3,200, well-kept pickup truck with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior, giving it a clean, consistent, and classic appearance. Equipped with a 3.4L V6 engine and a 2WD drivetrain, this gasoline-powered truck runs and drives well, making it a practical choice for everyday driving or light-duty tasks. The vehicle has been maintained in good running condition, with a smooth driving performance and a strong engine. The air conditioning system works great, providing comfort even in warmer conditions. Overall, the truck presents itself as a solid and reliable option, and with a clean title, it adds extra peace of mind for potential buyers looking for a straightforward and functional pickup. Number 8.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. The is a well-maintained classic pickup that has been driven approximately 124,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 small block engine, this truck runs great and is used as a daily driver. It features a silver exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a timeless and clean look. The engine has been upgraded with Edelbrock valve covers and an Edelbrock carburetor, along with headers that enhance its performance and sound. The vehicle runs on gasoline, the title is under the current owner's name, and it has been smog certified through 2027, making it ready for continued use without immediate concerns.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,300, equipped with an automatic transmission, a powerful 454 engine, and a 4x4 drivetrain. It features a gold exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic yet rugged appearance. This truck is described as running in excellent condition and is especially well suited for towing trailers or handling demanding workloads. It is a floor-shift 4x4 model, a configuration that has become increasingly rare, making it more desirable among enthusiasts and collectors. Overall, this Chevrolet 2500 is positioned as a dependable, high-capability truck that delivers both performance and rarity, making it a valuable option for anyone in need of a tough, ready-to-work pickup.
Number 10.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,750. It has traveled 158,000 miles. It is powered by a strong and reliable 5.7L Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and solid capability for daily use or light-duty work. The truck runs on gasoline and offers a consistent and proven driving experience. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the vehicle presents a clean and cohesive appearance. It runs and drives great, with no leaks reported, indicating that it has been properly cared for over time.
Both the engine and transmission are in good condition, further supporting its overall reliability. In addition, the truck comes with a clean title, making it a straightforward and trustworthy option for buyers.